Hi, this is Stephen Reynolds from the orchard here in Thailand, in Sri Tepa, Phetchabun. And I got some questions from my mama about my solar panel setup here. The solar panels are set up to pump water to the orchard. I've had some old systems here that were taking our water and diverting it to our neighbors. So that's what I've been doing the last few days, is been trying to pull these up out of the ground, find them, and find out where they're at and get them up so that they don't steal the water that or make the water not work, right? Because it's not going where I want it to go. So I was working on that for 2-3 days ago, and I've got another pipe up here that is that it also needs to come out. It's not allowing me to get water to another row, and we can see the irrigation system is working. And I've been digging through this concrete dirt here, feels like concrete anyway, to get that pipe out of this traffic area. Unfortunately, there's gravel here, so it's turned the mud into something like cement. So I'm trying to use the water to make it a little bit more easier to dig. This is our solar system, and it is not functioning very powerfully right now. It's see just a little bit of water coming out there. Let's see if we can turn the water on and make it look cool. There we go. So we got some water pumping out of there. Actually, I'm going to divert that. Make it come out over there. And this is going up a hill, so I can do that all the way up the hill. I think most of these are on. But the reason the water's not coming out very good is because all the dust, I don't know if you can see that, all the dust on our solar panels. I'm going to have to get up on the solar panels today and clean the dust off. And that is one of the first things I have to do today. This is the chainsaw that's done a good chunk of work here in the orchard. It's amazing that it's done so well. We literally have one battery, so can only use it once or twice a day for about an hour or so, and then the battery's gone. But that's an update on the solar panels. I wanted to say, as far as the solar, I tried to record something live. This only feeds the pump here, and you couldn't charge your phone on this system if you wanted to. At least I couldn't. And so the reason we have such a one-use inverter just for the pump is so that the inverter is not stolen. If we had a inverter that would run power to everything, they're quite a bit more expensive and quite a bit more likely to be picked up by thieves. So before we switch to a larger, better inverter that can handle more than just a pump, we're going to have to encapsulate this this little pump house solar that we've got going. Well, if you saw my first video, I hope things are looking clearer and more open. You can almost see across the orchard now. I was hoping that the red ants would kind of calm down, but adding so much water to the vineyard has really, the orchard has really bless the red ants. I don't want to bless red ants. I don't like red ants. And it's mutual. They don't like me either. But anyway, that's enough. If you have any more questions, I would love to answer them. And today, hopefully, we're going to be getting a gas chainsaw out here today. And if we do, it'll be my job to go around and get all the stumps that are left on sticking out of the tree, to get those stumps taken off with the gas chainsaw. As awesome as the electric chainsaw is, it just does not have the power to deal with some of these larger branches. So thank you for joining me in the sawan, which is called a garden. They translated a garden instead of an orchard, and I kind of like that. I kind of like that we call it a garden. And it's also interesting that the word for heaven is sawan, and the word for garden in Thai is sawan, if I'm saying that correctly. And very close. So anyway, bless you, and talk to you soon.